Hello guys, welcome to a new video. We've finally got some sunshine. So I'm going to do a bit on the car. I'm going to turn the engine bay gold. It's the process I want to start doing while it's still warming up. There's a few bits I want to change on it, which we can talk about. I've already done these bits here. You can get these off at eBay. I can put a link in the description if you guys want to see that. I've already wrapped this, ignore that. It does need redoing, it's peeled on one side just because of the heat. But I just wanted to see if the wrap stuck, and it does, providing it's properly done. So I'm going to give that a good sand down and then re-wrap that gold. The VXR logo's done for the battery cores and the fuse box. So you'll have to excuse the state of the engine. I've not cleaned it in a while. I am going to be doing a cleaning video soon, so stay tuned for that. But what I'm going to be doing today is, you might see there's something odd in here, and that is pipes. So what I'm going to do is, this is going to get taken off. I'm going to clean it all down, and then I've got this gold reflective tape. It is fiberglass, made from fiberglass. It wraps around your heat pipes, holds heat in and such. So I'm going to try that, see what it looks like on here, see if we can get a good finish. You do have to just keep wrapping it around until it overlaps. But I'm going to do that and see what it comes out as. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this pipe, which is your intake pipe. Very simple, clamp, take it off. I've got a video on this already of installing that and the boost pipe. So yeah, I'll get this set up and crack on. Right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a clean microfiber towel cloth, isopropyl alcohol, and clean it thoroughly as much as possible. Avoid the inside because it is flammable, so just do the bits that you're going to wrap it around. Okay, so nice clean space, a better place in the back of your boot. Gold tape, it's got a bit of a peel, sticky back on it, as you can see, just peels off. It's obviously fiberglass made, so what you want to do is you want to start on one end of your pipe. Get it on one end as much as possible. See if you can show you guys a little bit better. So as you can see, I'm getting it as far to that end as I can, which is just there, as you can see. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull this tight, unravel the back, and then I'm going to wrap it round. Alright, so once that's all the way around the one, you can continuously go round, but I don't see the point because we're just doing this for decoration. So what we can do is make sure we wrap it round so the pipe is going to be underneath, so that the joint is going to be underneath. You want to cut it with some scissors, push it down, and just make sure that all is nice and smooth. Okay, so make sure that is all nice and smooth. Then what you want to do is, you then want to, don't worry about these little bits, we can trim these off later. You then want to turn it upside down again, start your next piece, but you want to overlap it. Okay, so make sure you are overlapping. This is going to help. While you are doing it, make sure you are pushing it down as well. Okay, it is a bit awkward to do on your own sometimes. Don't worry about if your overlaps aren't equal, it just makes it look a bit more nicer if they are. Guys, so I followed it around. That is the most awkwardest thing I've ever had to go around. It's not perfect, it's not flat, anything else. It's actually not too bad though. I actually quite kind of like it, because it just shows that it's like you know, I don't know, I kind of like the look. It's strange, it's very strange, but as you can see, it's gold. It is gold, very reflective. There's the original colour. I'm going to put it on the car, leave it on there for a while, see what I think to it, see if I like it or not. Again, you just keep wrapping it around. You might have to cut some bits off and replace bits, but you know, it's when you're wrapping anything that's not flat or a circle like this with any continuous tape, it's going to cause a problem. And this, I can't even squeeze it. Like before, I could squeeze it and there was some play in it, but now there's absolutely no play. So yeah, I'm going to put this on the car. Alright guys, so it's on the car. I'm not sure what I think about it. I mean, it looks good from, you know, a bit of a distance, but getting it so it's all smooth, that's just, I don't think that's ever going to happen, not with this. So I'm not sure. I think it does look good. I mean, it is a slightly different gold to the other, which you can see. It's like got a green tinge to it. But yeah, you'll have to let me know what you guys think. I'd rather try something and it fail than not have tried it at all. So it's just weighing up some options of what I can do to tidy this up a little bit. Or if I have to buy some new parts, buy some new parts. I mean, there's nothing wrong with these, like, but if I've got to do it, then you know, it's just like I said, weighing up my options. So I'll leave this one blue as it is, save me wasting my time. Let me know what you guys think of this. It does make it more sturdy and more solid, actually. It's like you can't really press the piping, which is kind of good. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. And also stickers, thank you to everybody that's bought stickers. Everybody that has ordered them has been posted that. Also, I am getting some more. I'm ordering some green, some orange, some more blue, some more red, and a couple of pinks. I know some girls do watch these videos, so if you do want a pink sticker or anything else, let me know. There is a couple left that I've got at the minute. I am waiting for another order, so I think I've got about 8 left. So if you guys want them, links in the description. And as I said, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.